Chia seeds are small, but nutritionally mighty seeds that are becoming increasingly popular for their health benefits. Here are the nutritional facts about chia seeds. Calories. 1 ounce, approximately 28 grams, of chia seeds contains around 138 calories. Carbohydrates. Chia seeds are a good source of carbohydrates, with 1 ounce containing about 12 grams. However, a significant portion of these carbohydrates comes from dietary fiber. Fiber. Chia seeds are exceptionally high in dietary fiber, with 1 ounce containing around 10 grams of fiber. This high fiber content supports digestion, helps maintain a feeling of fullness, and regulates blood sugar levels. Protein. Chia seeds are a plant-based source of protein. 1 ounce contains about 4 grams of protein, making them a valuable addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. Healthy fats. Chia seeds are rich in healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. 1 ounce contains around 9 grams of fat, the majority of which is in the form of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Micronutrients. Chia seeds are a good source of various vitamins and minerals, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and manganese. These minerals contribute to bone health, energy metabolism, and overall well-being. Health benefits of chia seeds. Digestive health. Chia seeds' high soluble fiber content forms a gel-like substance when mixed with liquid, which supports healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds have been associated with heart health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving cholesterol levels, and supporting cardiovascular function. Blood sugar regulation. Chia seeds' high fiber content can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. Weight management. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats in chia seeds contributes to a feeling of fullness and can aid in weight management by reducing overeating. Bone health. Chia seeds are a good plant-based source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Antioxidant properties. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall health. Hydration. Chia seeds can absorb many times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. This property can help with hydration, especially during physical activity. It's important to note that while chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, they are calorie-dense and should be consumed in moderation. Additionally, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions.